Hey guys, we're back again at 10-12, battling for Gene's 12-back Stormtrooper. Awesome. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a second to find our winner. There they are, 1 through 100 that I'm going to copy and take right now to find our winner. There they are, 1 through 100. Gonna roll the dice, got to get at least a 5. We got a 6. We're good to go. Good luck, guys. Matt, round 1, and round 2, and round 3. Mike, round 4. Matt, round 5. And our winner is Matt, in at number 83. Congratulations, sir. Nice hit. Here's the verification. And our official results, DGQHXY. Matt, in at number 83, is the victor. Well done. I'm done at 10-13. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Matt in at number 83. Congratulations. See you next time, guys.